So I bought an intake for my truck. It's just a cheap like Chinese intake. So I'm gonna do some before and after sound tests with it. It's got the stock intake on it right now. It's all dirty, but it's a truck. They're meant to be kind of dirty. Tests how it sounds, just some drive-bys, some 0 to 60s, you know, get all the good stuff. And then put on the cheap hot air intake from China and we'll see how it sounds from there. Alright, so I got the intake put on and this thing absolutely rips. It is so much faster, I'm telling you. At least that's what everybody on YouTube says, but it's really not true. So it is a cheap filter. I paid $58 for the whole thing, so it's really cheap. But I might put like a K&N or something on there. But knowing me, I actually won't do that. I won't put a K&N. I'll have that on there as long as I have the truck. But it definitely sounds cooler, so I'll make some videos of what it sounds like from the outside. Just look at those black lines I just laid down, because that was for me, of course. I mean, I was just lighting them up all the way down the road. So this filter definitely works. So you can kind of hear my lifter tick coming back. I was hoping this air filter was going to get rid of my lifter tick, but it doesn't sound like it is. So that's unfortunate. Well, that was close. I'm glad I didn't go 70 miles an hour past him. Ooh, really, that was kind of bad if I would have kept going. But I didn't, because I just, you know, I had that feeling that something was wrong. And that something that was wrong was a cop, sheriff. I'm surprised I didn't hear this 5.3 just ripping down the road. Jeez. Look at that, just laying down 11s. Jeez. Just blowing 33s like no big deal. And those, of course, that was for my first run. All right. don't even know if you can see the speedometer, but it's not like it matters. It's not like I'm setting any records here. Oh gosh, what a unit. That's what it sounds like. Not bad. For 60 bucks, get that hot air intake. You know, I don't think it's too bad. Sounds cool. You ever just get that urge when you're going down the road to throw it in neutral and just bounce it off the limiter? Oh yeah. This thing likes it. Gotta get those lifters unstuck somehow, you know. That's the way I do it. All right, guys, well, that is a Moosun 4-inch intake on an 06 Silverado. That's what it sounds like. I mean, I'm happy with it for 60 bucks. You can't really complain, and it does the job. Makes the cool sounds. It's really the only reason I wanted it for. So if it does that, then I'm happy. That is floored. Geez, you'd think I was turboed. How fast this thing's pulling. All right, so we got us a Denali next to me. It probably has a 6.2. I got a 5.3. He said he's down to race, so let's see how it goes for me. I think, you know, he's got a big motor, but I got an intake, so I might just be able to take him. Let's see if I can get him. All right, the light should go green here soon. I'm not gonna launch it hard. Oh yeah. Yeah, this intake really helped. Definitely pick you one up. Cause that's probably cammed, heads, you know, all that stuff. And you had no chance. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I'll catch you on the next one, I guess.